Hi everyone, day 3 of the 31 days to get organised challenges, and today we're stepping deeper into the focus on memory clutter, and you should have an idea of the memory clutter that you have in your home and what you would like to deal with. Now, step 1 is to really look at where you're going to store these items. How much space do you have to store the items that are kids' photos or memorabilia or things that you've inherited? You need first up to look at and designate areas, or what I call zones, for storage. And number 2, you need to look at how much space you have in each of those areas. So if it's a cupboard for photos, how much space do you have? Because you need now, and this will be the next step, to start whittling down those items, not just to the good, but to the great items that really bring great memories and great joy. So you've already made a list of the kinds of memory items. That was step 1. Step 2, let's look at zones, where you're going to store it, and limits, how much space that you have around your house. Make some decisions on that now. Tomorrow, we'll delve deeper.